My uncle just told me that he has a problem just showed back up at the garden. Usually a issue that happens once a year. Deers. So you got deers coming out here. I mean, they doing a lot of new home construction out here. So they got deers coming. They done lost all their habitat, so they roaming the area, and he got plenty of food. So they out here eating on his broccoli, cabbages. So you gotta find some deterrents. We got some wind chimes out here, mothballs, try to deter the deer. So we're trying to do it the safe way so we don't lose all our veggies. So other than that, we are just gonna chip away and harvest.